Hi, I'm Gabriel Williams. I'm a certified firefighter in the state of Illinois. Today, we're going to talk about what to do if you've replaced the batteries in your smoke detector, but it's still chirping. If your smoke detector is chirping every so often, generally that is an indication that you need to change your batteries. If you put a battery in and it's still chirping, that battery that you put in may not be good. It may be an old battery. It may have lost its charge. Maybe you got it from a different appliance and got it mixed up with the new one accidentally. Whatever the reason, if your smoke detector is still chirping, it's an indication that the battery is not good. Take that battery out and take a brand new battery out of the package and place it into your smoke detector. If at that point the smoke detector is still chirping, you might want to make sure to clean your smoke detector or check the date on the back of your smoke detector. If the detector is more than 5 years old, it's probably a good idea just to buy a new smoke detector. This can and will save your life in the event of a fire, so you want to make sure that you have one that's working properly. It's not that expensive, and the best way to survive a fire is to prevent it from ever happening in the first place. But if you can't do that, then early detection can and will save your life, and this is what's going to detect the fire early. Now you want to change the batteries in your individual detector about twice a year. I tell people when you change your clocks, change the batteries in your smoke detector. It's a good way to remember how and when to change the batteries in your detector. You just pop open the little carriage here where the battery is stored, take the old battery out and discard it, take the brand new battery out of a package and place it into your smoke detector. Close the carriage all the way until it snaps, and then press the test button on your smoke detector until it beeps. Once you've done that, you know your smoke detector is now working properly and you can reinstall it back up on your wall or ceiling. I'm Gabriel Williams, and we've been talking about what to do in the event that your smoke detector keeps beeping after you've changed the batteries.